Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another good one for you guys. If you're like me, struggling to get your children to eat vegetables, this is a beautiful option with chicken. So today we'll be making, or I'll be showing you how I make my healthy chicken nuggets. My son absolutely loved this one. You can air fry it, bake it, fry it. It's super delicious. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of our ingredients. I have some washed and diced chicken breast. I have some diced onions, some frozen peas and carrots, some kitchen bouquet, which is the browning sauce, some garlic, and some Hawaiian sauce. And these are my dry ingredients, and they will also be in the description box. To my washed chicken, I just added some Hawaiian soy sauce, some kitchen bouquet or the browning sauce that could be used to brown stew, and the rest of my dry ingredients that will also be in the description box. We'll mix everything in well together. Give that a good stir. And while that is resting, we will preheat our pan over medium-high heat. And I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can use grapeseed oil. And I'm adding the diced onions. Allow this to cook until it becomes nice and translucent. Add your garlic and continue to cook that for an additional 30 seconds. Then add your parsley and hot pepper. Now I go in with my frozen peas and give that a good stir. Now allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I just added some red pepper flakes, remove from the stove. Now to my food processor, I'll be adding my seasoned chicken breast, and we will pulse that until it becomes nice and fine. Then I'll also add the peas. Make sure everything is incorporated well until it looks something like this right here. Looks amazing. I do love the color. So I did mix that up, cover, and let that sit for about 50 minutes. Then I go in with this scoop, and I'll place this on a baking sheet. Make sure to line your pan if you're gonna have a non-stick pan. You can form this in whatever shapes you want to. I'm just gonna use the back of a spoon and just press this out just a little bit. Make it almost resemble chicken nuggets. But this is just the healthier version, which your kids are going to love, even you. Alright, I did also add I made some chicken. I did also make some patties that this will be stored for about, you can store this up to like 2 weeks in a refrigerator. So I baked until nice and golden brown, and this is what it looks like, guys. Super, super, super delicious. If you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you guys to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell also so you won't miss any of my amazing recipes. Thank you again for spending the time with me today. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.